Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enlarge image in Photoshop without losing quality. First of all, open a Photoshop and right here click on open and choose the photo which you want to enlarge. The photo I want to enlarge is this one, so I'll just double click on it. Once the image is inserted here, hit Ctrl plus Alt plus I. Then this image size window will open, and here you need to make sure that this should be checked so that they'll adjust the height and width accordingly. Let's say I type here 6000, and yeah, you can see they have adjusted the height according to our width. Now here you need to check this resample box and set it on preserve details 2.0, and here you can adjust the reduce noise slider. So generally I prefer to set it on 10 to 20, so this time I'll just set it on 15 and just click on OK. And yeah, there you go, the image is enlarged, but we still left with one setting, and it is that just go to filter, go to sharpen and select the option smart sharpen here, and you can just set it on default and just click on OK here. And yeah, that's it. Now you can see the image is enlarged and it is not pixelated. It means we have enlarged the image without losing quality. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe my YouTube channel? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.